Here are the instructions for the easy-to-use account software from Equal Figures Bookkeeping. The system basically comprises a P&L sheet as shown here, so this has all the totals for all the entries that you input. This is broken down by month, April to April, and by category, which you can actually amend or set up yourself. Then we have monthly sheets, which go, as I say, from April to April, and each month you can enter your incoming or outgoings per month. Then you have category sheet, and here you can personalize the categories to suit your own business. So for example, you can delete website, you can delete car loan, and say we will put tyres and repair in here. Then simply click on the button at the top, and that will update all the lists for each of the sheets. Then you have the business information sheet, where you can input the business split for car use. So for example, if you have the car for 80% business use and 20% personal use, you can put in your start balances for the banking reconciliation. You can put in the mileage start figures, and you can also change the capital allowances as and when the government change. Then you have a mileage calculator, where you can enter all of your business and personal mileage, and this will calculate the allowances that you're allowed for business miles. Then we have the self-assessment draft. As you enter any data on the monthly sheets, these figures will also automatically be updated to reflect these, and you can simply carry these figures over onto your self-assessment tax return at the end of each year. We also have the capital allowance calculator, so that you can calculate whether you're entitled to any capital allowance. So if we go to a month, for an example, go to January, and all we simply do is put in the date, so say the 5th in there. Then we have a drop-down list, and this drop-down list is a list of all the categories that you've actually created in the categories list, and this updates to personalise for your own business. So say for example this particular one, we'll choose fuel and oil. Paid from and to is just for info only, so I'm going to put who I paid it to, which was Shell, and the amount £47. And then finally, if I'm going to use the banking reconciliation, I'm going to choose here which bank account it came from. In this occasion, it will be current account, and it automatically updates with the running balance. Once again, we can put in on the 6th, we made a sale to Mrs. Jones of £100, and again I'm going to be paying that into the current account, so I'm going to put that in there, and again this updates on here. If you have anything outgoing, for example car repairs, and the amount is going to be £500, this is going to come out of the current account, but you'll see that now it's given a red figure, which means that the balance has gone into the negative. And that is simply all you need to do. These figures will automatically be updated, as you can see here, onto the P&L, and they will also be added into the draft tax assessment, self-assessment form. All instructions will be included in the purchase of the spreadsheet system, and obviously if you have any queries, do not hesitate to contact equalfigures.co.uk, and we offer full after-sale service. Thank you.